there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Have you ever seen a piece of jewelry on someone and thought, that is stunning. I wonder where they got it. But you know what? It's probably a rare piece or a family heirloom, and I'm never gonna be able to find one for myself. That's exactly the feeling I got when I first saw this bracelet from Jewelry Trends. It's a sterling silver Celtic knot cuff. And right from the first moment I saw it in person, I was impressed by the craftsmanship. And then when I was wearing it, I was impressed by how comfortable it is. Whether I wore it alone or wore it with other bracelets, it fit me just perfectly, and it didn't slide around on my wrist, and it wasn't too heavy. I actually would forget that I was wearing it. It has such a stunning, eye-catching design. The intricate pattern of the Celtic knot makes you feel like you're wearing a piece that is going to last for generations. The simplicity of the design makes it look beautiful with pieces on your wrist or without, so you can wear it as dressy as you want or as simple as you want. It comes in a really sweet little gift box and would make a beautiful gift for anyone who appreciates beautiful craftsmanship and a comfortable, eye-catching bracelet. Now, just to give you a size reference, my wrist is just about 7 inches, and I found this bracelet to be comfortable and to stay in place, which is an important feature for me when I'm wearing a cuff. So if you're looking for a statement piece, something that's gonna go with everything and also be comfortable so you can wear it no matter what you're doing, I highly recommend this remarkable bracelet from Jewelry Trends. It has not disappointed me, and that is my point of view.